How to fix Valorant Error Code 57 Vanguard Not Initialized error. First step, open Riot client, click profile icon, click settings. This page will appear. In this, click Valorant, scroll down, click repair and start repair. It's entirely verifying your game files. If there is any corrupted file having means, it will rectify it. Once complete after, it will throw up the message successfully repaired. Click OK. Next step, open run and type the following text: service.msc services.msc. Click it, scroll down and search for VGC service. Right click, click properties. The startup type should be in automatic and the service status should be in running mode. Click apply and OK. And one more time right click and restart it. Once complete after, close it. Next step, right click Riot client, click properties, click compatibility, enable run the program as administrator, click apply and OK. Next step, open this PC, make sure you have enough memory space, right click, click properties, click tools, click check and scan the drive. The driver was successfully scanned, close it. The last and final step, click settings, click app settings, click install app, scroll down and search for Riot Vanguard. Scroll down, click the three dot icon on the right hand side and click uninstall. Click yes and uninstall it. Once the uninstall complete after, you need to restart your device. After restart, open up the Riot client. It will asking for reinstalling the Riot Vanguard. Install the Riot Vanguard freshly. Thank you.